Hello! So it is March 9th and it's a Friday. Yay! I'm feeling so crappy. I have a stomach ache, but it's like stress-induced, anxiety-filled, like a nervous stomach type of thing. Basically because I have like my paper due, my 15-page paper due like on Tuesday, and it's just basically school stress, but it's really affected me, my stomach really bad. Like I couldn't really do much today, but I wanted to come. Like my stomach doesn't feel all that well, but I still wanted to come because I figured since the stress in my stomach is because of stress, then maybe, working out might make me feel better. I don't know. But I didn't want to miss today, so I might puke on one of the machines, but gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, okay, wish me luck. Alright, bye guys. Hello. So it's March 12th, it's a Monday, and I've been working on the stupid paper, but I'm stressed out, so I'm gonna go to the gym, try to do 30 minutes. It'll probably end up being an hour. I don't know what I'm doing. I just need to get out of here. So, yee. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, March 15th, and it's like 9:30 p.m. and I'm about to go. I don't know. I wanted to hit legs, but we'll see. But I'm here at the gym. Whoop whoop. So, yeah. Hello. It is March 19th. It is a Monday. I just got back home from the gym. I went to LA Fitness, so I was able to do my Pilates thing that I signed up for. I did 2 sessions back to back, which I hadn't done in a while. But it was really good because I got some insight from the Pilates teacher. She I forgot what question I asked her, but it kind of went in the route that since I have been, focusing like on glute building, and I'm very quad dominant as well, so my feet tend to go naturally outwards. Like my natural stance is my feet like that because I do a lot of my exercises with my feet pointing outwards because that targets the glute a lot better. However, I have neglected doing leg work, doing parallel, and so my inner thigh isn't as strong. And so she says that if I continue doing that, it could lead to back problems later on, which is really good to know. Like I said earlier this month, I have been focusing on inner thigh and hamstrings, but I just wanted it for aesthetic reasons, to have a better looking leg and for my liking, and because I know that I've neglected inner thigh. But yeah, so hopefully by going to that Pilates class, I'll be able to get strength in my inner thigh and doing more parallel work as well in my regular gym routine. So really excited about that. And also I think I didn't film this weekend, like my like on whether I went to the gym or not. On Saturday I went really quickly before they closed, and I just did a lot of upper body work. So worked out biceps, triceps, chest, and a little bit of shoulders. And then Sunday, I was not able to make it to the gym. However, I did do an at-home workout, full body, and I ended up using like waters of gallon, laundry detergent tub, and gallon as well. So, and filmed a video on that, so hopefully it'll be up, so you'll probably know what I'm talking about as I'm talking, because I think this might be going up at the end of the week, at the end of the month, and my at-home workout with whatever you find at home should be up. But if not, keep a lookout for that, because it was fun, and just you get to be creative at home and still get your workout in with weights, which is what I love to do. So yeah, so overall I've worked out these past 3 days, so I'm on a good track. Hey. All right. Bye. Hello. It is Tuesday, March 20th, I believe, and yeah, I'm here at CBU. It's spring break, but still had to come. But I'm about to go to the recreational center. About to get my leg workout in, so hopefully there's not a lot of people, and yay! All right. Today is Monday, March 26th, and I just came back from doing 2 sessions of Pilates. Wait, what? Yeah, of the Pilates classes that I signed up for. So it was nice stretching and working the muscles slowly so as to have the muscles be good for movement, not just bulkiness and appearance. So that was good. But yesterday was Sunday, the 25th, and I also went to the gym, but it was supposed to be my heavy leg day, and I did work out legs. However, I was having a not so good day, and yeah, it was, I guess, anxiety. I'm not really too sure. My mindset was just really negative, and usually when I go to the gym, it helps me, release my endorphins and feel, better. But this time it just didn't work. I was feeling like with low self-esteem, low confidence, and just not how I normally am at the gym. So it wasn't that great of a workout, but I still tried to push through as much as I could. I think all I did that day was deadlifts, which, since I was having like the low self-esteem sort of deal, or low confidence that day, it was hindering my form. I was looking down a lot, which you're not supposed to do when you do deadlifts, and especially do heavy. You're supposed to keep a neutral, so there's like a natural curve in your spine, and not you looking down and messing up your spine. So it was bad. But one of the people that works there, he's like a buddy of mine from high school, and he just like reminded me like, hey, keep your head up and stuff. And it kind of like almost made me cry, because like I was like, dang, it's affecting me that much too, where I didn't even notice I was like having my head down. And then after that, I just did banded squats with the landmine, the one where you have the pole, and I don't know, maybe I'll do a video on that if you don't know what I'm saying, but it's hard to explain. But you just have the barbell, and you kind of put it down at the bottom if they have the little holder that goes back and forth. So then you hold the bar and you can squat down with it, put weight on it, but it's just one single bar. So I did that, and of course I did like a, I think 5-minute warm-up in one of the cardio machines, but that was it. So it wasn't really that great of a workout, but yes, still did it, even though I would like wanted to cry halfway of my workout for some reason. But yeah, today was definitely better. I just took it, you know, a lot easier, try to concentrate on breathing, which is what, you know, Pilates helps do, like have really controlled breathing, really controlled core, just bringing back everything to the basics and foundation and strengthening everything up. So yes, so if this, I think I'm going to the gym tomorrow, but I'm not sure if this video might be the last one to put up for this whole of March and February, I think. I don't know. But if so, thank you so much for watching, and see you next month or whatever. So, bye.